Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be doing an Amazon unboxing. I earned some points through my insurance, and with the points that I earn, I can trade those in for Amazon or any kind of gift card really. I chose Amazon and I went online and picked out a few things that I'm hoping will help to keep me on track. So the program that I'm doing through my insurance is a weight loss program. So for attending weekly classes, I accumulate points. I also get points for doing a yearly screening, among other things. So I am going to open these two boxes up and let's see what I got. So let's grab the first one. Try to do this one-handed. Let's see. See if I can do this with just one hand. My daughter is in the other room, so she is not here to help me. I think I got it. All right, let's see what we've got here. So the first item that I got was a microwave steamer basket. So plan to use this for microwaving vegetables. I normally get the Walmart individual sized steamer bags with the frozen veggies in it. And I think I'm going to try to get maybe one of the bigger bags and then portion it out and use this steamer basket to cook it in. So I'm really excited about that. And then let's see, I also got, this is actually quite big, this is a food chopper. Now the reason why I picked this one out is it has a spiralizer, so I can make zucchini noodles, it chops veggies, and it also slices. So that is going to be really nice to have. So these are things that are going to keep me on track with my diet. So it says there is a grater. This little cutter does ribbon julienne and thin julienne. This is the julienne slicer, the mandolin, a dicer, and a fine dicer, which is going to be really, really nice. I have tons of potatoes that I bought, and I like to do French fries in the oven, so I will probably give that a try. So this is Full Star is the brand, and again, these things are just items I got off of Amazon. So let me set that aside, and let me open the second box up and see what's in here. Again, we'll see if we can do this. If I can do this one-handed. I have, I think there's like $75, I think, that I just earned by doing my my yearly health screening. And my daughter and I were talking, and I think we're going to end up getting maybe some TV tray tables for the living room. So I had, I think it was $125 to spend. So I ended up getting, this is the salted caramel Vega protein and greens. This is the vegan protein powder. I love this stuff. And then I grabbed a shaker bottle, and this one has the little metal shaker instead of the plastic one like the Walmart brand has. This is a smaller one. I think this one might be 20 ounces, which is perfect for the shakes because the you only put, I think it's like 8 ounces of water. Let's look. Let's see. Yeah, so it is 10 ounces of water, and sometimes I'll do almond milk in there, but this is really good. I ordered a second container of protein powder that was included in this big order. It has not come in yet, and it is the cold brew coffee flavor, also Vega. And then what is this? Oh, this is a magnetic board for our refrigerator. which I thought that would be nice to have because I find that we, as we're going through the week, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Where's my daughter when I need her? Let me set the book down. Okay, so I thought this would be nice to have to write down like the things that we're out of. So here are 2 of the markers, and they also have, it's like the eraser on the end. So it's purple and red. And then there's other stuff in here. We'll just dump all of it out, huh? Then here is a black and a blue pen. Oh, and a little tiny little eraser, and it's got a magnet on it. That is really, really handy. And then last is the whiteboard, which this is magnetic, and it will go right on top of, or at least on the front of the refrigerator. It's got, this is hard to do with one hand, guys. So there is a big magnet on the back, and then the dry erase on the front. I am going to put this on my refrigerator real quick so you guys see what it looks like. I will be right back. All right, hopefully you guys can see this. So I've got this magnetic board here on the refrigerator. The little eraser is magnetic, so that sticks. And all of the little pens have a magnet on it too. So those stick. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cool. Too bad Carol Ann's not in here to see it, but sorry, the floor is squeaking, but isn't that cool? So this is going to be really, really nice because I figure that we could do our grocery list. And that way, sorry, it's hard to write. And see, hopefully I've got the camera pointed in the right orientation and then it's not upside down. But, oh yeah, that is really nice. And then on this side, there's also, feels like an eraser on there as well. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is like the best thing ever. I am just easily amused. All right, guys, so that is everything that I got off of Amazon using a gift card that I got from redeeming points from my insurance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!